Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I had a request to cook chicken gizzards and hearts. So I'm going to do that today. And I'm going to do that in the Power Pressure Cooker XL. Gizzards is something that you have to cook for a very long time. Well over an hour, or probably sometimes close to an hour and a half to get them tender, or even longer. So I'm going to be cooking it in the Power Pressure Cooker XL. Now if you don't have one, you can use your slow cooker, or you can cook it on the stove. Okay? Alright, so stay tuned. Let's do it. Hit the thumbs up if you like it. Share the video. Share the cabbage video for me, please, so it can go all over the world. Give me your comments. I'm loving reading all the different ways that people prepare their cabbage. Okay, and check out my links below. I have a Patreon if you're interested in supporting this channel, or GoFundMe. And also, if you shop at Amazon, you can go on over and hit the link on my channel first, and anything that you go over to Amazon to purchase will help my bottom line. Okay, so let's get started on the chicken gizzards and heart. Chicken gizzards and heart. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so this is one package of chicken gizzards and hearts I get at Walmart for $1.44 for the package. Okay, so we're going to put that in. This is some chicken broth that I saved from when I cooked some chicken. I baked it in the oven, so I saved the broth that was left over. We're going to add the broth, give it some nice flavor. I'm also going to add a half of a red sweet pepper, I had one large onion that I cut up into slices. I'm going to add that. Okay, so now I want to add our seasonings. I want to do adobo. Some black pepper. Some garlic, excuse me. Okay, and to mine I'm going to add some chili sriracha. Okay, I want a little kick to it. Okay, if you don't like yours hot, do not put it in yours. Okay, just a little bit. Okay. So let me mix that up. And I also want to add, I already added the liquid chicken broth. I want to enhance that flavor. So I'm going to add a heaping tablespoonful. Actually, I'm going to do 2. Okay, I want to really bring that flavor out. Okay, now that we have everything in, let's see. I think I want to add some more liquid. I'm going to add some water. So I'm adding about 3 ounces of water. Okay, so that now we have all our ingredients in, I'm going to turn your attention to the Power Pressure Cooker XL. I'm going to drop it in. I'm going to put the top on. I'm going to take this up. I want to do 45 minutes because I really think that's how long it's going to take to get them tender. Okay, so I'll see you in 45 minutes, okay? Thank you. Why don't I give you the word of the day? I mean, why go and not give you the word of the day? The word of the day is, sugar. Sugar is something that I would like for us to reconsider how much we consume. Sugar is a problem all the way around. And if we can at least cut back, baby steps, okay? So maybe you can cut back and say, one day you're not going to eat no sugar for that day. And then take it to maybe 2 days. Until you get to the point where maybe you can substitute regular sugar for sugar substitute. And then see if you can substitute sugar substitute for honey, and then see if you can go to no sugar. Let's see, it's a hard task. I've been trying to fight that battle for years, okay? But I have cut back, and you know what? I don't miss it as much. Like, I don't use it in my coffee or tea anymore. And that's a real plus for me. So you see if you want to join me, okay? Alright, no pressure. Just see if that's something you can do. That is the word of the day. Cut back on the sugar. Okay. We'll be back in 45 minutes, okay? Alrighty. Okay, guys. Our gizzards and hearts are done out of the Power Pressure Cooker XL. I have some olive oil in the frying pan, and I have one medium onion I cut up. We're going to saute the onion, and then we're going to make our gravy from the broth from the chicken gizzards that's in this pot here. And then we'll put the gizzards and hearts in the gravy, and then we're gonna that will be called smothered gizzards and onions in gravy. Wow, nice. Okay, so the secret to things that need to take a very long time to cook is you should get a pressure cooker, because that cuts the time down. So remember, we set the time, I believe, on 45 minutes. So if it takes 45 minutes in the pressure cooker, how long does it take you to cook it on the stove with no pressure? Quite a long time, right? Okay, so I'm going to let the onions cook for about 5 minutes, and then I'll bring you back. Thank you. Okay, guys, I took the gizzards out of the liquid that it cooked in, so I just wanted to show you the gizzards and hearts, okay? Alright, so now our onions that we have sauteed for our gravy is done. Let me show you that. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to add the chicken gravy. I have 2 packages. It's halfway full in each one. So this is 3.7 ounces. So total, we're going to say I'm adding 3.7 ounces because I have 2 packages. This is chicken gravy, what we're adding, okay? Okay, and now I'm going to add the broth from where when we cook the chicken gizzards and hearts. And right away it's thick. I have to add the rest of it. Well, I'm going to add little by little till we see what's going on. And that's the way you should cook. Never pour all, because once you put it in, you can't take it out. So little by little works until you see what's going on. The crushed red peppers I like because it gave it a nice little like tint of red here and there, which is great. Okay, let me show you the consistency of the gravy. It's pouring off, but getting thicker. It is coating the spoon, as you can see. Okay, now I want to add the gizzards, because there's liquid in this container with the gizzards. Look at that, guys. See? How about that? Okay. So I'm gonna say we're good. So good, so good, so good. Looks good. Okay, I'm gonna plate up and show you. I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay guys, this is scallion and sweet red pepper rice that I cooked the other night. You should go check that video out. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Alright, so now I'm going to put the gizzards right on top of this rice. The gizzards and hearts. Okay, let me clean my plate a minute. Show you. Get the drip off the edge. Okay, and there we go, guys. How about that? Smothered gizzards, gizzards and hearts in gravy over the scallion pepper rice. Too good. And let me get in the picture. I need a thumbnail. How about that, huh? Cool. Okay. Let me taste it. I know you're dying for me to taste it. Soft. And tender. And that flavor is on point. Oh guys, you gotta try this. $1.44 I paid for the package at Walmart. You can't beat that, right? Okay, so you need 2 packages for a family of 4. Under $3? It's a no-brainer. Okay, until next time, give me a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video, subscribe, check out the links below. I have a GoFundMe and a Patreon going on. And remember, I do the drawing on October 15th, 2019 for my celebration of my anniversary. I'm going to be drawing one $25 prize to anyone that have participated in the GoFundMe, the Patreon, or sent me something in the mail. Until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.